Hey everyone, we are here for day number 2 of the 4th of July celebration here at Disney World. Yesterday we were at Magic Kingdom, but today we have an exclusive fireworks show after Luminous at Epcot. So there's a lot of cool stuff going on for 4th of July. So let's get in and check it out. All right, we are at the America Pavilion, and of course I had to get the American Dream at the Fife Drum Tavern, which is right in front of basically the central location of America. But we're gonna try this real quick. It has 3 different layers, a blue layer, a white layer, and a red layer. And I'm just so excited. Apparently there's just all different flavors of slushies in combination with ice cream. So there's a cherry, a blue raspberry, and then of course vanilla ice cream. That kind of breaks down the colors of this drink. But at the end of the day, they gave like a paper straw, which made it kind of hard to get the ice cream through the straw. And but I mean, combined all together, it is a great taste. I wish I had a plastic or a metal straw to drink with, but it is a great taste, and I'm glad I stopped and got this real quick. We actually ordered food at the Regal Eagle Smokehouse, and it was actually at probably the worst time when we could have, because it started raining as soon as it was time for us to pick up our food. So it is literally flooding in with people just waiting for tables, and it's just very crowded. But I was able to secure my meal. I got a gluten-free brisket sandwich, as well as some of their homemade coleslaw here. And of course, they have many different types of barbecues. I got a spicy brisket one, as well as one of their traditional ones. And we're gonna see how this tastes real quick. By the way, I did want to mention, the bread is buttered and seasoned. So it's gonna be good, you know that for sure. As always, Disney does a phenomenal job with gluten-free sandwiches, and then let alone the gluten-free sandwich, but the brisket as well is just amazing. Now we're gonna try the coleslaw real quick. Perfect. The coleslaw is very smooth and silky, and then has just some great seasoning in there as well. So definitely 10 out of 10 recommend this meal. If you know the Orlando weather, it basically rains every day during the summer, and we forgot our rain gear, which we thought would be okay because we were eating dinner indoors, but we quickly realized we needed to head over to Guardians of the Galaxy because we had a lightning lane reservation, and it was getting close to the ending time of that reservation. So we decided we were just gonna suck it up and walk in the rain. We got some new clothes, and I'm still patriotic with my Captain America shirt. And now we're gonna head over to Guardians. It's honestly my favorite ride in Disney World, so let's get into that.
Hey, what's up, number 4? Our cosmic generator has been stolen. What?
How? What did we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
And for the jump point, this plane is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax.
Good luck.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. All the way back.
Every person comes out
That is like the best ride in Disney World. So after Guardians, we decided we're gonna find a good spot for the fireworks show, which it's still about an hour out. Actually, no, it's about half an hour out now. We got the spot an hour out. We've been here for about half an hour now. But I think it's a great spot. I got one camera that has 210 millimeters to the Epcot ball, which is pretty far. And then we're gonna have another one at the waterworks, which is in the middle of the lake. And then I think Allie may go closer to America to try and get the special America fireworks. So we have a couple different angles that we're going to try and make sure that we can show you a full glimpse of this show in a bunch of different angles.
To the great gathering.
Welcome.
Welcome. Bienvenue. Marhaba.
Yokoso.
Welcome.
Benvenuti.
Welcome. Karibu.
Huanyin.
Willkommen.
Bienvenidos.
Everyone on this earth is part of the great symphony of us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. We are born. We come into this world a raw noise. Cradled in tenderness, we tune ourselves to the world around us. We begin to understand what our instrument can do. We find our voice and add it to the ensemble of our ancestors, our family, nuestra familia. Recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play. heartstrings, our world becomes a duet.
You're so far.
This camera.
Happy 4th of July.
Today we celebrate generations of people from all walks of life who have woven their stories together to form this tapestry that is the United States of America.
Join us now in a salute to the enduring spirit of the American people who stand together and become the heartbeat of freedom.
Lift every voice and sing.
Till earth and heaven ring. Ring with the harmonies of liberty.
And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you. I have a dream today. Ask what you can do for your country.
We hold these truths to be self-evident. That all men are created equal.
That they are endowed with certain unalienable rights.
And that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
this 4th of July. We hope you have a wonderful evening and enjoy the rest of your visit here at Walt Disney World Resort. Good night.
Fireworks show is completely ended now. I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on it. Honestly, I thought that the Magic Kingdom fireworks show for 4th of July was much better than the Epcot one. That being said, the Epcot one definitely had the most fireworks I've ever seen launched in a Disney theme park at all. If you stood in a place where you could see America, or at least around America, you could literally hear the vibration and feel the vibration around you from how many fireworks were being set off at the end of the fireworks show. But I wish that instead of having the regular luminous before the 4th of July fireworks, they would have just started with the 4th of July fireworks and they had a longer 4th of July fireworks show. I'm not a big fan of luminous. I think it's better than Epcot Forever. I just really missed Harmonious whenever it was a thing. So if they bring Harmonious back, or if they would have just had a longer 4th of July fireworks show, left luminous out of it, then hey, I would have said this may have been better than Magic Kingdom. But since luminous was before it, the 4th of July fireworks weren't as long. Just wasn't my type of vibe. But you let me know which one you liked better down in the comments now that you've seen both of them. If you haven't seen Magic Kingdom, definitely gotta check it out. I'll link it up top. But that being said, that's a wrap for this video. We got everything done that we were really looking to get done today. The only thing I didn't get to do was meet the patriotic characters. Since there was rain, they actually ended up going in early. But that's it. That's the wrap for our day, and we have now done the 2 days of the 4th of July celebration in Disney World. We'll see you real soon.